Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are watching this video right now. Welcome to this channel, Happy Life. If this is the first time you came across this video, please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share this video with your friend. Turn on the notification bell in order to get notified when I upload new video like this. Today in this video, I want to talk about 5 amazing spiritual benefits of bitter cola. Bitter cola is often praised for its numerous medicinal benefits. However, very few people are conversant with the spirit benefits this amazing nut possesses. Here are 5 spiritual benefits of bitter cola you probably are not aware of. Number 1, it keeps snakes off your environment, either spiritual snakes or normal snake that used to come visit your house. Bitter cola has been known to be effective in warding off snakes. Here is what you need to do. Sprinkle a well-grounded paste of bitter cola around your home to keep dangerous snake off your property. The nut has strong potency observed to keep those dangerous reptiles at bay. To leverage these full benefits of bitter cola, it is advisable to use the nut with its brown cover. I mean, don't peel this brown cover before you ground it. Ground everything together. Number 2, bitter cola serves as antipoison. Bitter cola is known to be effective in curbing the harmful effect of poison. Chew 1 or 2 nuts of bitter cola if you suspect you have been poisoned or in the custody of anyone be poisoned. The ability of bitter cola to neutralize poisonous substances has long been used by traditional medical practitioners and herbalists to revive people who have ingested harmful poison. I think you get this point. Number 3, it boosts business and attracts customer. Bitter cola is believed to bring positive energy to people's businesses while driving away bad vibes. This is what you need to do. Some have attributed the fortune in their business to the potent power of bitter cola. Activate the potent power of this wonderful nut by sprinkle a grounded paste of bitter cola around your business premises. It works like magic. Number 4, it neutralizes spells. Spells have been able to neutralize by using the awesome power of the bitter cola. To neutralize any spell, just put 2 or 3 nuts of bitter cola under the pillow. The nuts are believed to be effective in repelling of witchcraft and reversing anyone under the spell. Number 5, it curbs bad dreams. Aside from driving away negative energy, bitter cola is said to help in putting an end to bad dreams. Frequently, bad dreams can be a result of the manipulation of stubborn spirits. Bitter cola is believed to halt such dreams. What you need to do to curb bad dream is just put 1 or 3 of bitter cola under your pillow. It will surely work like magic for you. This is another way you can use bitter cola. It's also good for men. Eating it at least twice a week serves as manpower. Your partner will always praise you. I guess you understand this part. So don't joke with bitter cola. I will continue how to use bitter cola in the future. Thank you so much for watching this video once again. If this is the first time you came across this video, please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share this video with your friend. Turn on the notification bell in order to get notified when I upload new video like this. Thank you so much. May God bless all of us and answer our prayer. Amen.